everyone, my name is Asimi Emily, and I'm presenting my database project. And my area of interest, it was business, and the applicable databases. We have the hotel management system, we have the employee attendance system, we have the food ordering system, and the hotel inventory management system. And I chose to do about the hotel management system. And here are the reasons why I chose the hotel management system. The first point is to improve relationships with the customers, to reduce money errors and double booking, to increase occupancy rates by integrating other tools around the hotel managers, to advertise their rooms to more customers, to make better businesses and marketing decisions. Then here are the tasks that will be performed by the system. It will provide improved customer service, to ensure better decision making, to also offer data management services. It will ensure data security, authenticate the users of the system. It will also reduce paper use at the hotel. It will help to reduce the congestion of the guests. It will enable booking by internet, provide performance evaluation of employees to ensure maximum output. It will also automate data. It will also enable automated data entry methods. And below are the users or the groups that will be served by this system. We have the hotel staff, we have guests, we have authorized data entrants, we have system administrators, and we also listed down the tangible benefits and intangible benefits of the system. And here are the tangible benefits of the system. The first one, we have identification of empty rooms and the ones that are occupied within the hotel premises. We have increased marketing and sales. We have improved data management. We have enhanced guest satisfaction, and intangible benefits. We have provision of high quality services to customers. We have improved reputation of the hotel and motivation of customers, for example, the guests and the travelers. And the analysis costs, these are the costs that will come after that will be incurred during the use of the system. We have the development and installation costs, for example, hardware and software and labor costs. Here, the hardware, software and labor costs, these are the costs that will be incurred, for example, when they are installing new softwares, when they are updating the drivers. And the labor cost, it's what the people who will be updating and installing, that is the labor cost, what will be paid to them. Then we have the training costs, for example, we have training materials and instructors. The instructors are the people that will be training, that will train the staff and introduce them to the new system. Then we have the maintenance and support costs, for example, staffing, software licensing, and hardware maintenance. We have the opportunity costs, for example, marketing and operations. Then resistance to change. Here, the staff may resist the change, leading to lower productivity and blah. Then here are the user issues, what the users might face during the use of the system. The first one, we have skills. Here, staff may lack necessary skills and expertise to use the new system effectively, and this can be solved through training and supporting the staff members. Then another point, we have resistance to change. Here, users may be resistant to change, particularly if they use other systems, not this system, and this can be solved through setting up change management strategies. Then another point, we have adoption effort. Adoption efforts required to implement a hotel database system can be significant. So, the staff may require additional time and resources to learn and adopt the new system. Then we have technical issues, for example, system errors or software bugs. And this can lead to frustration or loss of confidence when you're using the system. Or, people can lose confidence in using the system, and this can be solved through regular maintenance and supporting the system. Then we have data security and privacy concerns. Here, users may have concerns about the security and privacy of guest data stored in the system. Appropriate security measures, for example, encryption and access controls, can help to address this issue. Then here are the risk assessment of a system. We have the technical risks, and this may include hardware or software failure, data loss, system crashes, and this can be solved through regional system backups and system monitoring. Then we have organizational risks, and this may include resistance to change, lack of user adoption, insufficient resources, inadequate training, or poor communication. And this can be solved through comprehensive training and support. Then we have clear communication with the staff and the stakeholders. Then another point about risk, we have data quality risks, and this may include incomplete data or data entry errors. Here, data entry errors, they can be, for example, a person is booking a room and pays a certain amount of money, and as a data entrant is entering the amount in the database, enters different amount of money. So this can be solved through providing clear data guidelines, data entry guidelines, and regular data checks. Then we have operational risks. This may include downtime, poor system performance solutions, and this can be solved through regular system maintenance and performance monitoring. Then another point, we have compliance risks, and these include non-compliance with data protection regulations, data privacy laws, and this can be solved through implementing appropriate policies and procedures, and then also regular audits. Then we have vendor lock-in risks, and these include dependency on single vendor for system maintenance, support, or upgrades. Here, it's like when you have a vendor that always comes to update or to work upon your system, or a person, the organization that maintains or does upgrades on the system. So it's not good to keep on using one person. It's better when we explore different or alternative vendors, and this can also be a problem or a risk if we keep on using the single vendor. So this can be solved through adopting open standards, implementing flexible contracts, and exploring alternative vendors. The limitation of the system. Limitations, they are like what the system may limit us to do. The first one, we have maintenance of the system. The system can be expensive, particularly for small hotels or those with limited resources. Hence, the cost of the system may outweigh the benefits of some hotels. Here you might find a system may cost too much. The maintaining the system may be too expensive, or it might be costly to maintain a system, and you find the profits a hotel is getting, they are being outweighed by the costs that are required to maintain a system. So that can be a limitation. Then another limitation, we have technical requirements, for example, servers, databases, network systems, which may also be beyond the capabilities of some hotels. Then we have customization. Different hotels have different operation processes, and the hotel database system may not be able to meet all of their specific needs. Then we have here is the list of entities. We have the customer, we have room, we have booking, we also have payment. Then we have payment, we have inventory, and we also have staff. And then we are also required to list the entities and their attributes. And here is the list of entities and their attributes. We have the staff. Under the staff, we have staff ID. We have the first name, job title. Then we have the inventory ID. We have item name. We have the item category, item quantity, and item cost per time. Then we have room ID, room number, room status, customer ID. Under customer, we have customer ID, name, email, username, password, phone number. Then payment, we have the payment ID, date, amount, description. Then booking, we have booking ID, date, time, and description. Then we were also required to we also identify the entity relationships and multiplicities. Here under the entity relationships, I have staffed inventory and I am having a multiplicity of one to many. Here, what does it mean, one to many? It means that one staff member can be able to manage different inventory in the hotel management system. One staff member. Then another relationship, we have customer to room, and we have a multiplicity of one to one. Here, what does it mean? It means that one customer can be able, one customer can stay, who stays in one room. Then another one, we have customer to room, also customer to room. It is one to many. One to many. It means one customer can book different rooms. Then from there, I also drew the comprehensive ideas, the comprehensive entity relationship diagram. As you can see, we have, as it is explained, that the information is added from above, like what I was explaining. Then here is I also showed the interface of my system. Here you can see we have the booking, you have the check-in date and the checkout date. Then we have the customer name, then the available rooms. Then I also drew up some queries. I also did some queries here. As you can see, you first, like as you, for example, using XAMPP, you first say MySQL -root -p, then you enter the password. If you don't have, you press enter. Then from there you show tables. If you have already created the database, you show databases. If you have already created the database, if it is already in there or if it is not there, then from there, if you have already created it, you say is the database. For example, my database was hotel, and say show data. You use database. Then from there is show tables. Since I have already created it, then from there, from showing tables, it means I've already created it. He said describe booking. For example, here one of the tables I did, I have booking, then I describe booking. Under booking, I have the booking ID, room, customer, date, and description. Then I also have payment, where we have I explained in the entity and attributes. This is how they can be displayed here. Then this is room, and then from there we are also required. I also showed the implementation of the system here, but this is done. Okay, if this is insert into, for example, if you say insert into customer and you enter the information following the order of the table, how you did your table, how your entities are displayed in the table in the field. So when I entered the data as the customer ID is 1, then name Angela, email, then username, password, and phone number. So after doing insert, you say select from customer. So when you select from customer, that's how the work will be displayed. And I also did the same to booking. I did booking ID, room ID, customer ID, date, and description, and this is how it will also displayed. I also did for inventory ID in item name, item category, and item quantity. This is all I did. Thank you so much. This is all about my database hotel management system.